Every day, millions of people struggle with stress, poor sleep, weight gain, and lifestyle diseases. Modern medicine often gives us quick fixes, but rarely long lasting solutions. What if your food, your routine, even your breathing could become your medicine? Hello, I am Dr. Hitesh Chaudhari, an Ayurvedic doctor passed from Podar Ayurveda Medical College, Mumbai, and postgraduated from National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur, with more than 12 years of experience in clinical practice. For me, Ayurveda is not about just herbs or treatments. It is a complete science of living. On this channel, I bring you authentic Ayurvedic wisdom simplified with modern science. So you can apply it in your daily life, no matter wherever you live in the world. Whether you are busy professional in New York, a homemaker in Delhi, a mom in London, or a wellness seeker in Tokyo, Ayurveda is for everyone. Because Ayurveda is based on universal laws of nature, your body type, your digestion, your sleep, and your mind, and of course your soul. Here you will discover simple morning and night routines to balance your body, food wisdom to improve your digestion, weight, and energy, natural remedies for everyday problems like acidity, stress, and joint pain, and deep insights into women's health, aging, and self healing. Every video is designed to give you practical steps you can start using today. If you believe health is more than just avoiding diseases, if you want to live with energy, clarity, and balance, then this channel is for you. Subscribe now to this channel and let's walk this path together, bringing ancient wisdom into modern living. Thank you.